So I just received this parcel today, and I believe it's come from the US because it's got red and blue all over it. And this is actually part of a cosplay YouTube group, and we decided to do Secret Santa. This is actually organised before the costume community Secret Santa, so that's why I'm involved in too. And I did actually accidentally read the name on the front, so I know it's actually from you, Nichole. But yeah, let's get into it and see what Nichole got me. And I'll link Nichole's channel down below and all of the other participating YouTubers as well. Oh wow.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
I love the colours.
Oh, wow. Just thank you. So here we have some beautiful pink flowers. Here we go. So in my little description of the site that we used to do the Secret Santa, we could put in, you know, things that we liked, or any future projects that we have coming up, and any materials that perhaps we want to go towards it. And I thought it would be really, really cool to have things given to me that I could incorporate in my future costumes. And one of my future costumes is Princess Aurora, and basically I just said think floral, flowers, because that's what Aurora is all about, living in the woods. And yeah, so pink flowers are perfect for Aurora, thank you. And here we have more flowers. We have, I don't know what these are called, but they look cute. Are these like bluebells?
Are they tulips? No,
That's not a tulip, that's a bluebell.
Bluebells.
Bluebells. So thank you. Oh my gosh, some pearls, look at this. Oh. Okay, I'm definitely using this in a headpiece or something like that. Oh, we have some silver leaves. This is actually quite similar to the Gwen one. The Gwen leaves that I used for your dress, except yours were gold.
Gold.
Yeah. So thank you for that. Oh my gosh, I've got fabric. So we've got some beautiful pink, light pink fabric. I don't know the material, but it's nice. It's nice. Thank you so much for this beautiful pink fabric. Oh my gosh, we have another pink fabric. So this one feels a lot lighter in weight, and it's got like a very cool, I don't know, sheen. What would you call it?
Yeah, sheen.
A sheen to it. So thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I've never had lace like this before. This is so pretty. And then finally, oh my gosh. Not finally. Oh my gosh. A beautiful unicorn, little tree decoration. Thank you. We have some purple lace here. So that's really pretty. Actually, I might use this for the masquerade version of Aurora.
That would be nice.
That one for masquerade Aurora. We'll see. You'll just have to find out in my future videos, I guess. And then, okay, now this is finally we have some sweet treats. Champagne flavored jelly beans. Bubbly. I love jelly beans. Cool. I'm guessing this is chocolate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, it's a proudly made in America.
Oh, American treats.
American chocolate. And also Frosty Nerds. Watermelon, cherry, and punch.
Looks like have nerds in Australia?
We have nerds, but we don't have different flavors. We just have the purple one.
The purple ones, yeah.
I don't know what flavor the purple one is. Original.
What is it? Blueberry?
Thank you so much, Nichole. I love the fabrics and the flowers. I just know that I'm going to be using them in my future costumes. So thank you so much. Again, I can't thank you enough. So that's it for this unboxing video. I'll link all of the other participating channels below in the description box. And thank you just to our little community in general for setting this up and making me feel welcome and a part of it. So thank you so much, Nichole, and to all the rest of you. Thank you, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays and all the other stuff. Happy New Year. I'm here for Christmas. I know that all of you are stuck in the snow and wintry, cold climates, but here right now it's very hot We have a little bit of a breeze going on. I feel like a news reporter or like a...
You look like one. I don't know if it's working.
Come to Australia, guys. It's great.